Hey everyone, ready to unlock some serious trading secrets? Today we're taking a deep dive into trading indicators.
Yeah, they can be a real game changer.
I always thought they were super complex, but they don't have to be, right?
Not at all. Think of them like a cheat sheet for the market. They help us spot those winning trades before anyone else.
Oh, I like that. So we're talking about moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, all that good stuff.
Exactly. Those are the all-stars. And with the power of AI, specifically Bullwise AI, we can take things even further.
Bullwise AI, huh? That sounds pretty high-tech.
It is. But don't worry, we'll break it all down.
Awesome. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What exactly are trading indicators? I mean, I've heard the terms, but what are they actually doing?
Well, imagine you're trying to predict the weather, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't just look outside and guess, would you?
No, definitely not.
You'd look at temperature, wind speed, all those fancy weather maps.
Right, the data.
Exactly. Trading indicators are like our weather maps for the market. They take tons of data, price history, trading volume, even market sentiment, and turn it into signals.
Signals?
Yeah, signals that help us see potential trends and reversals.
So it's not just about gut feelings anymore.
Nope. We're using data to make smarter decisions. Data is king, right?
Absolutely. So it's like different tools for different weather conditions. We have different indicators for different market scenarios.
Exactly. Some indicators are great for long-term trends, while others are better for catching those quick, profitable swings. Depends what you're looking for.
Okay, that makes sense. So let's talk about those all-stars you mentioned. Let's start with moving averages. I know there are a few different types, but how do they actually help us make money? How do I use them?
Okay, so think of moving averages like a trend line on a graph.
All right, I can picture that.
They smooth out all the crazy price action so you can see the big picture.
Makes sense. So cutting through the noise.
Exactly. Now you've got your simple moving average, or SMA, which is just a basic average of prices over time. Easy peasy.
Okay, got it. Simple.
And then there's the exponential moving average, or EMA. A little more complex, but it gives more weight to recent prices.
So it's more responsive to market shifts.
You got it.
Okay, so if I want a quick snapshot of the overall trend, EMA is my go-to.
Exactly.
But if I'm trying to catch those early signs of a change in direction, EMA might be better.
Now you're getting it.
Cool. Okay, so now we're starting to get into the good stuff here, right?
Oh,
what about crossovers?
Ah, yes. Crossovers. That's where the magic happens. When a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term one.
Boom. Buy signal.
Well, it often signals a potential buy, yeah. And vice versa for a sell signal.
Okay, you said potential, so I can't just blindly follow these signals.
Right. No indicator's perfect. You got to consider the bigger market picture.
Right, the context. Okay, that makes sense. So moving on to the next big player, RSI. What's the secret sauce behind this momentum oscillator? What is it telling us?
RSI is all about gauging the strength of a price move.
Okay, the strength.
Yeah, it tells us if the market's getting overheated. Is it due for a pullback? Or is it oversold and ready to bounce back?
I see. So it's like a thermometer, kind of, measuring the market's temperature?
Perfect analogy. Readings above 70 usually signal overbought conditions.
Come on.
Yeah. And readings below 30 suggest oversold.
Time to buy. Maybe.
Well, maybe. But here's a pro tip. RSI isn't just about those overbought and oversold levels. You gotta look for divergences.
Divergences.
Yeah. If the price is making new highs, but the RSI is not, it could mean the momentum's fading.
Even if the price is still going up.
Exactly. That's a red flag. Often precedes a reversal.
Okay, divergences. Got it. Gotta look beyond the numbers. See the whole picture, right?
You're natural.
All right, next up we have MACD. This one always seemed a bit complicated to me. What's the deal with this one?
It's easier than it sounds, I promise. MACD is all about momentum too, but it uses two moving averages to create a visual,
Okay, two moving averages to see what
the relationship between them, is the momentum speeding up or slowing down?
Got it.
Think of it like this. MECD is your speedometer, showing you how fast the market's moving.
Okay, I like that. A speedometer, speed.
And it also has an alarm that goes off when the speed and direction don't match up.
Oh, that's a divergence, right? Like we talked about with RSI.
Exactly. Smart cookie.
Okay, on to Bollinger Bands. I always picture them like guardrails on a highway. Am I way off?
Nope. You're spot on. Bollinger Bands help us visualize volatility. They expand when the market's going wild.
Like a wild ride.
Yeah. And they contract when things are calmer. Think of them as dynamic support and resistance levels.
Dynamic. So they're always changing.
Yep. Prices often bounce off the bands, but when they break out,
That means a big move's coming.
You got it.
Okay, this is so cool. So if the price is bouncing between the bands, we can trade those swings. And if it breaks out, we got to hop on board for the ride.
Exactly. And remember, just like with RSI and MACD, look for those divergences. If the price is making new highs, but the bands are getting narrower, it could mean trouble.
Gotcha. Weakening momentum, even though the price is still climbing, that's a warning sign.
Exactly. You're picking it up so fast.
Yeah.
So we've covered the big four, but are these the only indicators out there? I mean, there's got to be more, right?
Right. The market's a big place.
Oh, there are tons. We've got the stochastic oscillator, Fibonacci retracement, volume indicators like OBV and VWAP, you name it.
Wow. A whole universe of indicators. But that also sounds a bit overwhelming.
It can be. That's where Bullwise AI comes in.
Bullwise AI. Okay, tell me more. I'm intrigued.
Bullwise takes all this data, all these indicators, and does the heavy lifting for you.
So it's like having a personal AI assistant for trading. That's awesome.
It is. But we'll dive into that more in the next part of our deep dive.
Okay, I can't wait.
All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Ready to see these indicators in action.
Oh, absolutely. Let's get practical. How do we actually use these things to, make some money?
All right, let's start with a classic trend following strategy.
Okay, trend following. So we're talking about like finding a stock that's already moving up.
Exactly. Let's say we're looking at a stock, been steadily climbing higher. How can we use indicators to make sure we're not jumping on board too late?
Good question. Well, we could check if the price is above a long-term moving average, like the 200-day SMA.
You got it. That would tell us if the overall trend is still up.
Okay, so that's like our first check. But we need more, right?
Right. We don't want to just buy any stock that's above the 200-day SMA. Got to make sure the momentum is still strong.
Okay, so that's where RSI comes in, to see if those bulls are still in control.
Exactly. If the RSI is above 50, the bulls are in control, but we don't want it to be too high.
Right, because if it's like over 70, that means it's overbought, right?
Exactly. Could be a sign that the move is running out of steam.
Okay, so ideally we want that sweet spot. Price above the 200-day SMA, RSI above 50, but not too high. Not overbought.
Got it.
So we're using like two indicators together to confirm the trend and the momentum. Makes sense. Okay, so now what if we're looking for stocks that are about to make like a big move?
Ah, you're thinking like a true trader? Well, in that case, Bollinger Bands can be your best friend.
Okay, those highway guardrails.
Exactly. Remember, they help us see volatility. When those bands are narrow, it means volatility is low.
So the market is like, what? Taking a nap?
Kinda. It's like a coiled spring ready to unleash.
Okay, coiled spring, I like that. So we're looking for stocks that are trading in a tight range, then boom, breakout.
Exactly. A breakout above the upper band or below the lower band. Either way, could be a big move.
Okay, and to like get an even earlier signal, wasn't there something called a squeeze?
Ah, you're sharp. Yeah, a Bollinger Band squeeze. That's when the bands get really narrow, like they're squeezing the price. That often happens right before a breakout.
Okay, this is starting to sound like a treasure map to finding explosive moves. But how do we know? Like, how do we avoid those fake breakouts? The ones that fizzle out.
You always got to be one step ahead, right? Well, that's where volume comes in. We want to see increasing volume on the breakout. Got to make sure there's real conviction behind the move.
Right, got to make sure it's not just a few traders making noise. So a high volume breakout is more likely to follow through.
Exactly. Volume confirms the move.
Okay, it's all starting to click now. It's not just about the price, it's about the volume too. This is great stuff. But I got to ask, this all sounds like a lot of work. Like, how do we keep track of all this? We can't just be staring at charts all day.
Well, you could, but there's a better way. Remember Bullwise AI.
Yes, our AI-powered co-pilot. So it can help with all of this.
Absolutely. Bullwise can scan thousands of stocks in real time, looking for those Bollinger Band squeezes, high volume breakouts, you name it. It can even alert you to potential opportunities before they happen.
Whoa, hold on. So instead of me, like, going cross-eyed staring at charts, I could just let Bullwise do its thing and wait for those high probability setups. That's incredible.
That's the power of AI. It's like having a team of analysts working around the clock just for you.
Okay, that's game changing. Now what if? What if we're looking for stocks that have been like beaten down, ready for a comeback?
Ah, you're talking about finding those hidden gems, the ones everyone else has given up on. Love it. Well, in that case, we want to look for signs of a bullish divergence.
Okay, divergence. We talked about that with RSI and MACD, right?
Right. So let's say the price is making new lows, but the RSI is starting to make higher lows.
So they're not matching up.
Exactly. That could be a clue that the selling pressure is weakening, even though the price is still dropping.
So the RSI is hinting at a potential reversal.
Exactly. And we can look for divergences with MACD too.
Right. Like if the price is making new lows, but the MCD is starting to form higher lows.
Yep. Another sign that the bears are losing control.
Okay, so we're looking for those subtle hints that the tide is turning. But how do we know when to actually buy? Like when it's really happening?
Patience, young Padawan. We gotta wait for confirmation. Look for the price to break above a key resistance level or for a bullish crossover on the MACD.
Okay, so we need that extra signal.
Exactly. And of course, volume is key here too.
Right. Got to see those buyers stepping in with conviction. High volume.
You got it. And guess what? Bullwise can help us with this too. It can scan for stocks showing bullish divergences and alert you when they break out with strong volume.
It's like having a team of analysts working around the clock just to find those hidden reversal opportunities. This is amazing. But trading isn't just about finding the right entries, right? It's also about managing risk.
You're absolutely right. Risk management is key to survival in this game.
Okay, so how can these indicators help us with that?
Well, for one thing, they can help us set stop loss orders.
Okay, stop loss orders. Those are like our safety net, right?
Yeah, exactly. They limit our potential losses. And indicators can help us figure out where to set those stop loss orders.
Okay, so like if we're trading a breakout, we might set our stop loss just below the breakout level.
Exactly. Or below a recent swing low. And if we're trend following, we might set it below the moving average.
Okay, so the indicators are helping us be more strategic with those stop loss orders.
Yeah.
Love it. But what about position sizing? Like how much do we actually risk on each trade?
Another great question. Position sizing is crucial. We don't want to go all in on one trade, right?
Right. Diversification.
Exactly. So one way to figure out position size is to use the average true range, or ATR for short.
ATR.
Okay.
And that tells us.
The average price range of a stock over a certain period of time.
Okay, so if the ATR is high, the stock is volatile.
You got it. And we might want to reduce our position size to limit potential losses.
Makes sense. And if the ATR is low, we could maybe increase our position size.
Exactly. And guess what? Bullwise can even help us with this. It calculates the ATR and suggests position sizes based on our risk tolerance. Pretty cool, right?
Seriously. Bullwise is like the ultimate trading assistant. But even with all these fancy indicators and AI, trading is still a mental game, right?
But absolutely. Trading psychology is huge, even more important than all the technical stuff.
I know from experience. Fear and greed, they can really mess you up.
Oh yeah, they'll get you every time if you let them. So how do we stay disciplined? Avoid those emotional traps.
Yeah, how do we not self-sabotage? Any tips?
Well, number one, have a clear trading plan. Write it down. Your plan should outline your entry and exit rules, your risk management, your profit targets, everything.
Okay, so it's like a roadmap for our trading journey.
Exactly. Keeps you on track.
Even when the market throws those curveballs.
Especially when the market throws curveballs. And guess what? Bullwise can even help with this.
No way. Seriously. How?
By providing objective data and signals, Bullwise can help you make more rational decisions.
Okay, so it's like a reality check. Keeps us grounded.
Exactly. It's not about replacing your intuition. It's about using Bullwise to confirm your ideas and avoid those emotional mistakes.
Okay, this is all starting to make so much sense now. It's like Bullwise is giving us that extra edge we need to succeed. It's amazing how much technology has changed the game. I'm excited to dive even deeper into Bullwise and see what it can really do. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive. We've explored the power of trading indicators and how they can help us make smarter decisions. Now it's time to really zoom in on Bullwise AI and see how it can revolutionize our trading.
It's like we've learned the market's secret language, right? And now Bullwise is our translator helping us understand and profit from it.
Exactly. So let's break down what makes Bullwise so special. I know it's powered by AI, but what does that actually mean for us, day-to-day traders?
Okay, so imagine having like a team of expert analysts constantly monitoring the market, right? Analyzing hundreds of indicators and like whispering those golden opportunities right in your ear.
That's kind of creepy, but I like where you're going with this.
That's what Bullwise does. It takes all that complex data and turns it into clear, actionable insights.
So it's not just about like giving us a bunch of signals. It's about actually telling us what those signals mean and how to trade them.
Precisely. Bullwise doesn't just tell you what to buy or sell, it provides you with a comprehensive analysis of the market so you can make informed decisions that align with your trading style and risk tolerance.
It's huge. I know a lot of platforms out there claim to use AI, but what sets Bullwise apart? What's the secret sauce?
Well, Bullwise's AI algorithms are constantly learning and adapting to the market. They're not just based on historical data, they're also factoring in real-time market conditions, news events, even social media sentiment.
Whoa, social media sentiment. So it's like tapping into the collective wisdom of the crowd.
In a way, yeah. It's like having a living, breathing analyst that's always evolving and getting smarter.
Okay, that's pretty impressive. But how does Bullwise actually help us make money? Can you give us like some specific examples?
Absolutely. Let's say you're a swing trader looking for those sweet spot opportunities where the trend and momentum align. Bullwise can scan thousands of stocks in real time, looking for those setups based on the indicators we discussed earlier, like moving averages, RSI, MACD.
So instead of me like manually flipping through charts and trying to analyze all those indicators myself, Bullwise does the heavy lifting for me.
Exactly. And it doesn't just identify potential trades, it also provides you with entry and exit signals, stop loss levels, even position sizing recommendations based on your risk tolerance.
It's like having a personalized trading plan delivered right to my fingertips. Now, what about those of us who are more interested in scalping, those quick in and out trades? Can Bullwise help with that too?
Of course. Bullwise's real-time data analysis is perfect for scalpers. It can identify those tiny fluctuations in price that create scalping opportunities and alert you within seconds.
So instead of me like staring at a screen all day waiting for those fleeting moments, I can let Bullwise do the monitoring for me. That's a game changer for scalpers. And a lot of people are skeptical about AI. They're worried that it's going to take over and replace human traders. What do you say to those folks?
AI is a powerful tool, but it's not here to replace human traders. It's here to empower us. Think of Bullwise as your co-pilot, not the pilot. It's here to assist you, provide you with data-driven insights, and help you make more informed decisions.
I like that analogy. It's about combining the best of both worlds, human intuition and experience, with the speed and analytical power of AI. But even with all the best technology, trading still comes down to managing our risk right. How does Bullwise help us with that?
Well, Bullwise has several risk management features built in. First, it helps you set appropriate stop-loss orders based on the indicators you're using and your risk tolerance. It also suggests position sizes based on the volatility of the market and your account size. And perhaps most importantly, it helps you avoid those emotional trading mistakes that can wipe out your profits.
So it's not just about making money, it's about protecting the money we already have. Now let's get practical. How can our listeners actually get started with Bullwise?
It's incredibly easy. You can sign up for a free trial on their website, and they offer different subscription plans to suit different needs and budgets. You can even access Bullwise through their mobile app or a Telegram chatbot.
A Telegram chatbot, that's awesome. So you can literally get trading signals and insights on the go. That's perfect for those of us who are always on the move.
Exactly. Bullwise is designed to be accessible and convenient for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Bullwise has something to offer.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought. Trading can be challenging, but with the right tools and knowledge, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Bullwise AI gives us the power to level up our trading game and achieve those financial goals we always dreamed of.
It's like having a secret weapon in your trading arsenal. So I encourage everyone to explore Bullwise, discover its incredible capabilities, unlock the true potential of AI-driven trading. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, happy trading.